I'm Kelly Delaney of Cakes for Occasions in Danvers, Massachusetts, and I'd like to show you how to make a strawberry Groom's cake. First, we took our white cake, one dollop of buttercream and put it right in the middle. This is so the cake top will not slide on top of the slippery surface of the strawberries. It's just more used for glue than anything else. Take the top of our cake, place it back on, and then sandwich it together. So I'm going to take the frosting and I'm going to put it right on top of our cake. This is a nice buttercream frosting, nice and light. And today we're going to do a stucco or a rustic design, very homey, and we're just going to smooth it right around, kind of making it look unkempt and splattered. That's the whole look of the design. It's natural to kind of go heavy with this design, but it's best when it's a little bit on the lighter side. And the spatula I'm using is a nice flexible spatula which makes a world of difference in this design. Next we're going to make our Tuxedo Strawberries. They look real fancy, they're fun to look at, fun to eat, and real easy to do. And we're going to dip the belly of the strawberry in white chocolate for the shirt of the tuxedo. And we're just going to repeat the process for the additional strawberries. So now that the white chocolate has set, we're going to dip the strawberry to make the vest of the tuxedo. We're going to dip it in a V pattern, halfway this way, and then halfway that way. Push it one way for one V side, the other for the other V. So you're going to just pipe out the hourglass, and then you're going to fill it in. And then the buttons are just 3 simple dots going down the white shirt. So keeping with the nice rustic stucco design look and feel for this cake, we've got some nice chocolate curls that we're going to apply onto the cake. But what we're going to do is we're going to put the chocolate bowl on the wheel and we're just going to literally throw and toss the chocolate curls. Then we're going to take some and we're going to sprinkle it on top. We're going to pick up the strawberries and we're going to place them in a circle around the cake. I'm Kelly Delaney of Cakes for Occasions in Danvers, Massachusetts, and this is how you make a strawberry Groom's cake.